ito ngayon, si Lodi Tugade. They go back to the post dito kay McCaskill. McCaskill working against Velasquez. Sa pitsa ito ng outpass. Maintenance-free battery. Start agad. Baksak si Cortez at si Nick Velasco.
But we are still expecting yung the last push of Coca-Cola. Napasimulan na nila yan. Nakaka-score na sila but yung kanilang defensive stops ang kailangan nilang pagbutihin dito dahil last 2 minutes ang tayo is still an 11-point lead for Magnolia who now has 5 players scoring in double digits. At humahabol pa si Mike Cortez now has 16 points.
Here's our no fear fearless move of the game. Check this move by Daniel Defonso. That was our fearless move of the game, brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the balls for it.
Okay, binabanggit natin yung mga high scores ng Magnolia. Of course, top scoring is their import McCaskill with 20. Musunod dyan, Lodi Tugade with 17, 16 points. Ito si Mike Cortez, may 13. Ito si Danny Defonso at si Dondon Hontiveros.
Alam mo, itong 103 points sa Magnolia, hindi maganda yan for the Coca-Cola Tigers, no? Because we really, Coach Pinky Fabic is more of a defensive coach.
In fact, ang kupunan ng Coca-Cola on the average is allowing only 90 points per ball game sa kanilang mga kalaban. Tonight, 103, lampas ng 13 points ito.
Although on their part naman, yung 92 points sila, that's a positive sign for them considering na wala pa nga dyan production halos yung mga imports nila.
In fact, lampas na rin yan sa kota ng Magnolia because on the average, Magnolia is only allowing their opponents to score 89 points. So both exceeding pero mas malaki ang na-exceed dito ng kupunan ng Magnolia.
Yun na nga parang titignan doon ng coaching staff ng Magnolia. Ba't nagkaganon, no? 13 points lang ang combined output ng imports ng Coca-Cola. Pero you still allow them 92 points, no? So
because big numbers provided by the locals of Coca-Cola, lalo na itong si Nick Velasco and Asi Taulaba. Well, Buenafe has 12 points, but that's about his average.
Ito naman si Dean sumugod, does not get the basket. Ngayon, nagpapakita na siya ng aggressiveness. Kanina, puro pasa-pasa lang, puro sa weak side, nag-aabang ng mga kick-out pass.
Yung Dean, apelido niya yun, ano? Kala ko pangalan, tapos yung last name niya, One Ball.
Ito, Dean, number 1 for the Coca-Cola Tigers. Baka maging 1 game rin ngayon. Pagka ganito, pero I'm sure, no? Kita natin, ha? Malay mo, talagang, kumbaga, opening game jitters, pero dapat di na, punta na to all around the world. Harlem Globetrotters to.
Oo, naglaro pa sa huling laro niya sa Venezuela.
Oo.
Ready na nga ako sa moniker ko dyan, ng mean machine eh. Ngayon parang doesn't mean anything.
Doesn't mean anything, you know? Pero, ano maganda yung school niya in college, Arkansas? Dapat, magaling talaga ito si Dean. Natin, give him a benefit of the doubt.
Always a contender itong Arkansas Division 1 yan. So, maganda at bata pa. 28 anos pa lang itong si Brandon Dean. Alright, not his night.
Oo, not his night, definitely. But you know, his night has to come soon. And it should come on Wednesday.
Pag hindi pa na Wednesday, wala na. Dahil best of 3, kasi yan po nang binabanggit namin ni Richard. Very short series in the quarterfinals. With 1 minute and 24, this is an impending victory for the Magnolia Beverage Masters. Nagaya ng binabanggit mo, ang nananalo sa best of 3, 70%. Pag nanalo ka na ng game 1.
Yun na nga, at ang maganda nga dyan para sa Magnolia. 3-0 sila pag nananalo sila ng game 1 sa kanilang best of 3 series. Ito ngayon si Taulaba, susugod kalaban si McCaskill. Strong on that layup. Ito si Cabagnot at si Tugade, hindi pa rin tapos dito ha. Hindi nagustuhan ni Tugade yung pagkaka-foul dahil muso raw sa tinamaan.
Pinipigilan ng mga referees and sabi ni Kabang, what did I do?
Talagang magaling ka mag-lip-read.
Oo, tinan mo ha. Ito, may papareplay yan ha.
Ito na yung rebound, ito yung foul. Ayun, tinamaan nga sa muso.
You would want to stop the clock. At ito, wala naman sinasabi. Bukas lang yung kanyang mga mata. Ito, tinan mo. What did I do?
Hindi naman yata. Hindi.
Nahuli. Sabi ko nga ilalabas na yung kuha para makakalusot to
Hindi mo what I do.
para mas bastos nga yung sinabi. Kaya din na yung what did I do?
So ito, balik na naman
Kasi
sa
pag sinabi ko sa iyo kung ano yung totoo sinabi, baka hindi mo ako payagan.
Hindi lang ako hindi papayag, baka hindi ka na maupo ulit.
So ito, may konting katahimikan na dito sa ating Coliseum dahil ito, lumulobo na ang kalamangan ng Magnolia to 13 with only a minute and 13 remaining in our ball game.
Alright, so Jonas Villanueva coming in for Ontiveros. Si Aris Dumaunahan, pumasok na rin. Pahinga na si Asita Olava. At si Alex Cabagnot.
And Lori Tugade now with 20 points. Suddenly top scoring with their import.
Is Velasco, kicks it out to Buenafe. Shoots a 3. Knocks down the TM3.
A bit late though. They started hot from outside. Pero hindi na nagtuloy-tuloy yan. Ngayon na lamang sila.
Mike Cortez, tinigil yung dribble niya. Nasa backcourt siya. And napilitan tumawag ng timeout. So ito, Magnolia has 55.4 seconds to assure themselves of nailing this game 1 of their quarterfinal series. Alright, yan po ang ating import matchup and terribly outplayed nga ito si Jason Dixon, Rado.
Yung blocks nga lamang yung binabanggit natin kanina pa na bumubuhay sa kanya with 5 shot blocks. But otherwise, his 6 points and 7 rebounds, nothing compared. Kahit pagkakalahatiin mo dyan sa 20 points ni Amal McCaskills plus his 11 rebounds.
You would really wonder what happened to the game of Jason Dixon. The first round, very dominating no? Itong si Jason Dixon, kaya nga napakaganda na nagsimula ng Coca-Cola Tigers sa ating conference.
But I think it's his complementation with the other import. Maganda yung nagiging pag-gel nila. Ito, hindi sila nagkapasahan tonight.
Ito na ngayon, foul given up by Brandon Dean trying to go for that steal. Hinayang na hinayang. No? I'm sure frustrated rin ito si Brandon Dean with his performance.
Ito, hindi mo lang nag-smile buong gabi. Ito si Brandon Dean. Pagkat talaga namang hindi ka smile-smile ito mangyayari in a best of 3 quarterfinals sa matchup. Matatalo sila ng game 1. And Ken Bono, who actually played a good game to tally his 7-point, scoring his first 6 points in the second quarter. Dito, dadagdagan pa niya.
Ang maganda rin nangyari sa Magnolia, no need for them to really force the issue on Danny Seagal. Who's wrestling an injury. Wow, acrobatic play! Naku, hindi lang natapos doon ni Jay Buenafe.
But even with the big numbers of McCaskill, supporting role pa rin na kanyang ginawa tonight. He actually let the locals do the hurt dito sa mga taga Coca-Cola.
So itong Magnolia will nail game number 1 of this quarterfinal series, an all-important win. Ito, nakakuha pa nila offensive rebound so they can actually just dribble the time away. And Magnolia pouncing on the hapless Coca-Cola Tigers who have just gotten nothing from both their imports.
And that's the story of the game. Halos walang ipinakita.